Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm one of the members of the WW Food team and general all-round foodie. It goes without saying that I love to eat, and like all of us, I particularly like really healthy food that fits in well with my busy family schedule.
When we were working on the recipes for our batch cooking book, we came up with the brilliant idea of creating a whole week's worth of meals in just one cooking session. We're calling it Cook the Week.
One of the best things about it is I can buy all my ingredients in one shop, and then I have all my meals ready to go at a moment's notice.
This week I'm using the Family Cook the Week menu because I know my husband Dan and little boy Dexter will enjoy the recipes as much as I do. It'll take me a couple of hours today to rustle up all of our evening meals for the week ahead. It really does make a difference.
Whilst my slow roasted tomatoes are in the oven, I'm just going to whiz up a rich tomato sauce, some quick pickled onions and a delicious chorizo crumb.
These will all feature in the finished dishes that we'll enjoy in the evenings, like the beef kofta flatbreads and the spaghetti with chorizo crumb. It's really easy as all the recipes have the smart points worked out for you, whichever plan you're on, so it's super simple to stay on track. Knowing my fridge is full of these lovely meals means I'm far less likely to veer off plan or order a takeaway. These veggies are going to be served with some chorizo crusted cod, which will now only take me 20 minutes to cook. After a busy day, I find it so satisfying seeing all these neatly packed boxes of meals stacked up ready for us to enjoy. It's good to know that there'll be another ready for the next day too. Having the meals ready means that we're not in such a rush every evening and can make more time for each other and sit down properly. We've had a really frantic week this week, and this hearty pasta bake is just what we all fancy. And all I had to do was pop it in the oven this evening.